Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset Ion speaker Bluetooth. So in this tutorial, it is better to perform a factory reset for this kind of issue or matter. So upon checking the support website of Ion Audio, they obviously have a guide on how to do a factory reset, which also resets your speaker's Bluetooth. So this is for the model Total PA Ultimate, but for most of their models, you can actually apply these steps to them. So to factory reset the speaker to default settings, hold down the control knob for 5 seconds. And the speaker will power cycle and the reset will be successful. And if you are connecting a Bluetooth device, you will need to repair your device to the speaker. When the speaker turns back on, it will automatically enter Bluetooth pairing mode. And if necessary, press the source button to select Bluetooth mode. Navigate to the device's Bluetooth setup screen, find Total PA Ultimate or your Ion speakers model, and then connect. So it is important to note that if you are experiencing trouble in connecting, select Forget this device on your Bluetooth device and try to connect again. So basically that's it.